Yo, I think I might want to be dumb first thing in the morning today, because I took this Wendy's 8:25 going 4.5 miles. Let's just do it. I need to wake up. Let's get moving. Are you just now starting it? Okay, don't worry about it then. Thank you. Good old Wendy's. We're not doing that. I don't care. All right, here we go. Got an order for Seize the Bagel. This one's gonna be 10:25 going 5.5 miles. Thank you. Just got the next order. This is for Starbucks, $7 and some change, going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. I got this add-on as I was parking. This is for Sherry's, $8 and some change, going, I think it said 4 miles.
No drinks right here, babe.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You as well.
I will.
Did she just call me babe? Like what? No, thank you. Next order up is a Victor Rico's, $8 and some change, going 4.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Looks like it was just 3 burritos, but man, those things are heavy. Felt like I was carrying a brick. Kind of hesitating on this one, but I think I'm gonna take it. Both of these places can be very, very slow, so hopefully I've got some good karma left in me. We've got IHOP and Black Rock Coffee, $13.50 going 4 miles.
Maybe like 10 minutes.
Okay. She told me 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna just chill in the parking lot for a little bit, see if I get an order on Uber in the meantime. If nothing, I'm gonna go back inside and check in like 5 minutes, and if it's not ready, I think I'll just unassign these. Because liquor store opens in like 15 minutes, so don't want to miss out on any potential orders there. All right, it's been a few minutes. Let's go check on this. All right, made it in a timely manner. What are the odds that this is ready for me? Let's say 10%. Gotcha.
Like a little camera. Yeah.
Can I steal a candy?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. You're all set.
Thank you.
Of course, have a good one.
You too. Are we considering that ready? They were finishing it up as I walked in, so I'm not sure. I just got coffee all over my phone. Nice. Do I take this one? It's kind of leaving me out of the way. Let's just do it to keep busy. This is Burger King, $8.25 going just under 5 miles.
Here's a coffee.
Thank you. Next order just came in. We've got a Starbucks, $8 going 4 miles. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $14 and some change going 4 miles, 5 items. And I have gotten, I think, every single red light on the way here. So this is taking me a lot longer than expected to even get to the store. Haven't even started shopping yet. Assuming they mean these. Oil mayonnaise? Is that a thing?
Area Africa.
Next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $14.25 going 5 miles, 2 items. Oh, you're so annoying. Open the door. Thank you. And then just scribble on that line for me. Okay, it is more dead than dead. Whatever that means. So I'm gonna call it here and go find some lunch. Current time is 11:03. Total is 98. I was kind of hoping to squeeze one more order in before I call it, just to break that $100 mark, but I'm kind of over it, to be honest. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.